Second question, first one. If u plus iv is equal to 2 plus I by z plus 3 and z is equal to x plus iy, then find u and v. Then find u and v. We will observe in this one what is given here. U plus iv will become 2 plus I by z plus 3. Let us take the complex number z is equal to x plus iy will take. We have to replace z with x plus iy. That means 2 plus I by x plus iy plus 3. That means 2 plus I by. This we have to separate the real and imaginary parts. We will get 2x plus 3 plus iy will write. We will observe in this one the conjugate of x plus 3 plus iy will written as x plus 3 minus iy will write, but rationalizing the conjugate of x plus 3 plus iy, that must be written as x plus 3 minus iy by x plus 3 minus iy will write. That means we have to multiply in this one 2 plus I into remaining is x plus 3 minus iy by that denominator. We will observe in this one. This is a, this is b. After we have to check it. This is a, this is b. When it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that I will write a square minus b square. That means x plus 3 whole square minus I square y square will write, where I square is must be equal to minus 1. We have to replace I square with minus 1. That means minus into minus will become plus. First we have multiplied by 2. 2 into x will become 2x. 2, 3, 6 minus I into 2y plus I into x is ix. I into 3 is 3i or I3 plus into minus becomes minus. I into I square remaining is y by x plus 3 whole square. I square becomes minus 1. Minus into minus plus remaining is y square will write. Again we will observe in this one 2x plus 6 minus I into 2y plus I into x plus I into 3, where I square becomes minus 1. Minus into minus will become plus y by that denominator is x plus 3 whole square plus y square will write. But here we have to separate the real and imaginary parts. We will get where 2x is real, after that 6 is real, after that y also real. That means 2x plus y plus 6, where we have to common with I. In this imaginary part, we have to common with I. Remaining I will write x minus 2y. Remaining is plus 3 by the denominator is x plus 3 whole square plus y square will write. We have to separate the real and imaginary parts. Will get 2x plus y plus 6 by x plus 3 whole square plus y square will write plus I into remaining terms that I will written as x minus 2y plus 3 by the denominator is x plus 3 whole square plus y square will write. Here the given value is u plus iv. Comparing real and imaginary part. Comparing real and imaginary part. Here we will observe in this one, comparing the real and imaginary part. The part is this one. After that, the imaginary part is this one. I will write this one where u is real part is 2x plus y plus 6 by the denominator is x plus 3 whole square plus y square will write. After that, where v is x minus 2y plus 3 by the denominator is x plus 3 whole square plus y square will write. This is the values of u and b. U and V. After now, I am going to second section. In second section, first one is if Z is equal to 3 minus 5y, show that Z cube minus 10Z square plus 58Z minus 136 will become 0. Same similar problem is second one, that is if Z will become 2 minus I root 7, then show that 3Z cube minus 4Z square plus Z plus 88 is must be equal to 0. We will observe in these two problems. I will explain first problem. Second one is homework. What is given in this one? Where Z is given, Z is equal to 3 minus 5y is given. We have to replace plus 3 becomes this side, that I will write. Z minus 3 is equal to minus 5y will write. That means squaring on both sides, that must be written as x minus 3 whole square, that must be written as minus 5y whole square. When it is of the form a minus b whole square, we have to expand this one. Z square plus 9, 3 to 6, 6z is equal to minus 5 square becomes 25, remaining is I square, where I square is must be equal to minus 1. That means Z square minus 6z plus 9 is equal to 25 into minus 1. 25 into minus 1 is minus 25, will write Z plus 9 is equal to minus 25. Minus 25 becomes this side, minus 25 becomes this side. When it is 25 plus 9 is 34, will write Z square minus 6z plus 34 is equal to 0. I will take the LHS value. We have to prove the RHS value, where the given LHS value is Z cube minus 10Z square plus 58Z minus 136. We will take the LHS value. Finally, we have to prove its RHS value, that I will write, where LHS is equal to Z cube minus 10Z square plus 58Z minus 136 will write. This is the step, this is most important. We have to analyze this step very carefully, that I will write. This we have to written as, where given degree is Z cube, here term has degree is Z square, but I will write in this one Z into, we have to write in this term Z square minus 6Z plus 34. Z into Z square minus 6Z plus 34 will write. We'll observe. Given degree is Z cube. Given degree is Z cube. I will write this one Z into Z square minus 6Z plus 34. I have to check in this one. Z into Z square is Z cube. Plus into minus minus. 6Z into Z is 6Z square. 34 into Z is 34Z. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తానన్నా ఇక్కడ Z క్యూబ్ సరిపోయింది, రిమైనింగ్ మైనస్ 6Z స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. అయితే మనకు పైన ఎన్ని 6Z స్క్వేర్లు ఉన్నాయంటే మైనస్ 10Z స్క్వేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మైనస్ 10Z స్క్వేర్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 6Z స్క్వేర్ ను యూజ్ చేసాము, రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటుంది అంటే మైనస్ 4Z స్క్వేర్ ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్. విల్ అబ్జర్వ్. నెక్స్ట్ జెడ్లు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 34Z ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 58Z ఉంది. అంటే రిమైనింగ్ 58Z లో నుంచి 34Z ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ 4, 2. రిమైనింగ్ ఈజ్ 24Z దేర్. ఐ విల్ రైట్ ప్లస్ 24Z. ఇక్కడ మనము కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూని ఏం యూజ్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి మైనస్ 136 అలాగే ఉంటుంది. మైనస్ 136. దిస్ ఇస్ ద గివెన్ ప్రాసెస్ that I will write in this one. have to write in the same process z into z square minus 6z plus 34. In this term, I will common with minus 4z. We'll observe minus 4z is common. Remaining is, we'll observe by the above condition, what about the value of z square minus 6z plus 34? Z square minus 6z plus 34 will become 0. That I will write. Here given one is 4z is common remaining. Z minus 6z plus 34 we will write. Observe in this one. Plus into minus minus 4z into z is 4z square. Minus into minus plus 4 6 24. Z into z is z into z is z square. Z into z is z square. I am sorry. Z square minus 6z plus 34 will write. Here we have to common with 4. So I am sorry. In this term we have to common with 4. Remaining is z square minus 6z plus 34 I will write. We will observe. Plus into minus minus 4 into z square is 4z square. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 6 24 into z is 24z. Plus into minus is minus. 34 into 4 will become 136. Z into 0 will become 0. Remaining is minus 4 into z square minus 6z plus 34 will write. We'll observe in this one. Again, z square minus 6z plus 34 will become 0. Minus 4 into 0 will become 0. 0. This is the value of RHS will write. Finally, I will write LHS is must be equal to RHS. What about the value of LHS means? Z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 will become 0. This is asking given problem. Second one homework cheskunnanu. Second one is homework. After now I am going to next one. I will explain. Already I will explain this type of problem. Show that 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square and minus 2 minus 11i by 25 are conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other. This type of problems most important for 4 marks in IP level. Here, two complex number will take, let Z1 will take 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square and Z2 will take minus 2 minus 11i by 25. We'll observe. This is Z1 and this is Z2 are conjugate to each other means Z1 is equal to Z2 bar. Z1 is equal to Z2 bar or Z2 is equal to Z1 bar. Z1 is equal to Z2 bar, then that implies Z1 and Z2 are conjugate to each other, are also satisfies this condition also. Z2 is equal to Z1 bar, then Z2 and Z1 are also satisfies conjugate to each other. That means denominator లో కాన్స్టెంట్ కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ ఉండే వాల్యూ తీసుకొని దీని యొక్క కాంజుగేట్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ లెట్ Z1 is equal to, what about the value of Z1? 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square will write. When the denominator it is of the form a minus b whole square, we have to expand in this one. 1 minus 2i whole square, that will become 1 square plus 2 square I square minus 2 into 1 into 2i. I will write 1 square is nothing but 1, where I square becomes minus 1, 2 square is 4, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, remaining is 2 into 2i is 4i will write. 1 minus 4 will become minus 3 minus 4i. This is the value of 1 minus 2i. I will write that one. 2 minus I by minus 3 minus 4i. Here we will observe the conjugate of a minus ib is, there is no need to use for first letter symbol. We have to use for middle symbol a. The conjugate of minus a minus ib is, we have to change the middle symbol only. That I will write minus a plus ib will write. There is no need to change the first symbol. We have to change for only middle symbol. That means the conjugate of minus 3 minus 4i, that I will write minus 3 plus 4i by minus 3 plus 4i, I will write. First this is can multiplied by 2 minus I into minus 3 plus 4i by their denominator it is of the form a b, a minus b into a plus b, that I will write a square minus b square minus 3 whole square minus 4 square I square will write, where I square is nothing but minus 1. That means 2 3 minus 6, 2 into 4i will become 8i, minus into minus will become plus, 3 into I is 3i, plus into minus minus, 4i into I is 4i square by the denominator. 3 square is nothing but 9, 4 square is 16, I square will become minus 1. That means minus 6, 8i plus 3i is 11i, minus into minus will become plus, plus 4 by their denominator. Minus into minus plus, 9 plus 16 is 25, I will write. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 plus 11i by 25. We will observe. This is the value of Z1. What about the value of Z2? Where Z2 is minus 2 minus 11i by 25. I will write the conjugate of Z2 is, the conjugate of Z2 is, I will write the conjugate of Z2 will write Z2 bar. Z2 bar means I have to change their middle symbol. Then I will write minus 2 plus 11i by 25 will write. This is also minus 2 plus 11i by 25. This is the value is Z2 bar. Z1 that must be equal to Z2 bar. Z1 is must be equal to Z2 bar means that is Z1 and Z2 are conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other. This is given asking problem. After now, I am going to the third section. Third section, first one is if x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib, then show that x by a plus y by b is nothing but 4 into a square minus b square. This is most important for 4 marks question. This is most important for 4 marks question. X minus iy whole power 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib whole power a minus ib. Then show that x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. We'll observe. What is given one? X minus iy whole power 1 by 3 will become a minus ib. A minus ib. Here we'll observe. 1 by 3 will become that side, that must be written as x minus ib is equal to a minus ib whole cube. When it is of the form a minus b whole cube, that I will write a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b will write. How to expand in this one? X minus iy is equal to a cube minus I cube b cube minus 3 into where a is a, b is ib, remaining is a minus ib will write. Where I cube is nothing but, where I cube that must be written as I square into I will write. Where I square is nothing but minus 1 into I is minus I. Where I cube is nothing but minus I. Means a cube, I cube is equal to minus I means already minus symbol there. Minus into minus will become plus. Plus I into b cube will write. Remaining minus I will write 3a into a, that I will write 3a square b. Remain minus into minus will become plus. After I into I, that will be written as I square. Remaining is 3a. B into b is b square will write. Where I square is nothing but minus 1, that must be written as a cube plus ib cube minus I into 3a square b minus 3ab. We will observe in this one, we have to separate a real and imaginary part. We will get where a cube is real minus 3a square b also real, that I will write a cube minus 3ab square. Both are imaginary numbers, where I is common, that I will write b cube minus 3a square b will write. X minus iy, that also written as x plus I into minus y will write. X plus I into minus y will write. That means here also x minus iy will write. X minus iy will write. We have to common in this one. This we have to written as minus I into, we have to written as 3a square b minus b cube will write. We will observe. Plus into minus is minus I 3a square b. After minus into minus will become plus. I into b cube is I b cube will write. Comparing real and imaginary part. Comparing real and imaginary part, where x is the real part, that I will write x is equal to a cube minus 3ab square will write. After that, comparing their imaginary part, y is nothing but 3a square b minus b cube will write. But in this value, I will common with a common, remaining I will write a square minus 3b square. This value becomes this side. X by a is nothing but a square minus 3b square. This is make equation number 1. After here also in this given one, I will common with b, remaining is 3a square minus b square will write. B becomes this side. Y by b is nothing but 3a square minus b square will write. This is make equation number 2. Observe. Adding 1 and 2, that I will write 1 plus 2, then that implies where the 1 of LHS is x by a, 1 of RHS is y by b, that must be written as a square minus 3b square plus 3a square minus b square will write. That means x by a plus y by b is nothing but a square plus 3a square is 4a square minus 3b square minus b square is 4b square we will write. That must be written as x by a plus y by b is nothing but, where 4 is common, remaining I will write 4 into a square minus b square. This is the given problem, the proof of given problem. Now I am going to second problem. Write a plus ib by a minus ib whole square minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square in the form of x plus iy, in the form of x plus iy. We'll observe in this one. Write a plus ib by a minus ib minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square in the form of x plus iy. What is the given complex number? That is a plus ib by a minus ib whole square. Okay. In the form of x plus y means that I will write x plus iy. Okay. We have to write in this one. So I am sorry. A plus ib by a minus ib whole square minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square. We will observe their denominator. Here the given denominator is a minus ib. Here the given denominator is a plus ib. But the conjugate of a minus ib is a plus ib. After the conjugate of a plus ib is a minus ib. That means rationalizing the conjugate of a minus ib, that I will write a plus ib by a plus ib. Whole fraction has whole square. Both numerator and denominator cancel. Here the given fraction only. Remaining here also a minus ib by the conjugate of a plus ib. We multiplied both of them, that I will write a minus ib by a minus ib whole square. We will observe the numerator. When the numerator it is of the form a plus ib whole square, that must be written as a plus ib whole square by, when it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that I will write a square minus I square b square whole square minus remaining, that I have to written as remaining a minus ib whole square by, here also that I have to written as a square minus I square b square, their power has whole square, will write. That means where I square becomes minus 1, minus into minus is plus, I have to expand in this one. A square plus I square b square plus 2aib by a square plus b square whole square minus, after that the expansion of this one is a square plus I square b square minus 2aib by, the denominator is a square b square, their power is 2, will write. That means this is nothing but a square minus b square plus I into 2ab by a square plus b square whole square. Here also a square minus b square minus I into 2ab by a square plus b square whole square will write. That means what we have to write in this one means, we'll observe this we have to written as a square minus b square plus I into 2ab whole square plus Here we have to write. Here we have to write in this one a square minus b square minus I into 2ab whole square by the denominator that must be written as a square plus b square whole square. We will observe in this one when it is of the numerator of the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is nothing but 2 into a square plus b square. Will write this is a, this is b, after that this is a, this is b. When it is of the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is nothing but 2 into a square plus b square. I will write that means 2 into, where a square is nothing but a square minus b square whole square plus b square is nothing but I into 2ab whole square, 2ab whole square by their denominator is a square plus b square whole square. Will write. That means what we have to write in this one? We will write that one. This is very extension process, so I am sorry. I will explain the short form of this problem. So I am extremely sorry. Given one is a plus ib by a minus ib whole square minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square. When it is of the form, this time this term is different, this term is also different, but I will write a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Will write. So I have to write a plus ib by a minus ib plus a minus ib by a plus ib, a plus b into, after I will write a minus b. That means a plus ib by a minus ib minus a minus ib by a plus ib. Will write. So by using the cross multiplication, what I have to write in this one means a plus ib whole square plus a minus ib whole square by their denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b, that I will write a square minus I square b square. After I have to write in this one a plus ib into a plus ib is a plus ib whole square minus a minus ib whole square by their denominator it is of the form a square minus I square b square, will write. Here numerator and it is of the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that I will write 2 into a square plus b square, will write. Here the numerator of given fraction I will write a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. I will write these two formulas. That means here I have to write 2 into where a is a square, b is ib, I square b square, will write. The denominator is a square. I square will become minus 1, minus into minus is plus a square plus b square. After that, this we have to written as 4ab, will write. Where the given a is a, b I will write ib, by the denominator is a square plus b square, will write. That means 2 into a square is 2a square. After that, where I square is nothing but a minus 1, that must be written as 2 into a square minus b square, by the denominator is a square plus b square into, here we have to write I into 4ab by a square plus b square, will write. How to multiply it in this one? I have to multiply it in this one, that I will write 2 4 8. 8 into I is 8i. 8i into ab is a square minus b square, by the denominator is a square plus b square into a square plus b square is a square plus b square whole square, will write. Finally, this I have to written as 0 plus I into remaining, that I have to written as 8ab into a square minus b square, by the denominator is a square plus b square whole square. Then it is of the form x plus iy. This is the considered problem. This is the considered problem we have to write. Sorry for the disturbance. After now, I am going to next problem. Third problem in third section. If x and y are real numbers, x and y are real numbers such that 1 plus I into x minus 2i by 3 plus I plus 2 minus 3i into y plus I by 3 minus I is nothing but I. Then determine the values of x and y. So how to find out the values of x and y in this given complex number? Observe what I have to write in this one. Given complex number is 1 plus I into x minus 2i by the denominator is 3 plus I plus 2 minus 3i into y plus I by their denominator is 3 minus I must be equal to I. You will observe in this one, the conjugate of 3 plus I is 3 minus I. Okay, here numerator and denominator, the rationalization of conjugate of this complex number that I will write, 1 into x becomes x, I into x is ix, remaining is minus 2i by 3 plus I into the conjugate of 3 plus I is 3 minus I by 3 minus I. Later it was, later we have to write in this one, 2y minus I into 3y plus I by, the denominator is 3 minus I. This we have multiplied and divided by 3 plus I by 3 plus I. We will get I. We have to multiply it in this one. 3 into x is 3x. 3i into x is I into 3x will write. 3 into minus 2i is 6i will write. After that minus I is multiplied by this one. Minus I into x is minus ix. Plus into minus minus I into I square x. Where I square is minus, that must be written as x. Remaining. Minus into minus plus 2i into I is 2i square. I square becomes minus 1, that must be written as 2. Their denominator we have to write 3 square minus I square will write. Then remaining term I will written as plus 3 can multiplied by entire term. 3 into 2y is 6y minus I into 3 into 3y is 9y. 3 into I is 3i. After I can multiply by entire term, that must be written as I into 2y. Again, I into I will become I square. I square is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 3y will write. Again, I into I is I square. I square is equal to minus 1 by their denominator is 3 square minus I square. That must be equal to I. Both the denominators are same, that I will written as 3x plus x is 4x. Remaining i's are minus 3ix plus 3ix minus ix is 2ix will write. That must be written as I into 2x minus 6i. Remaining is minus 2. After 6y plus 3y, that becomes 9y. Minus I 9y plus I 2y is minus I 7y. Remaining is plus 3i. Their constant is minus 1 is must be equal to I. 3 square becomes 9. I square becomes minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. We have to add in this one. This is 4x. After we will write 9y. Real part we have to write. Their constant is minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. How to common with their imaginary number? I is common. Where I is common, remaining is 2x minus 7y. Here also I is common, remaining is minus 6i plus 3i. Minus 6i plus 3i will become minus 3i. Remaining is minus 3 by their denominator is 10. That must be equal to I. Again, this we have to written as 4x plus 9y minus 3. Here 10 will become that side. 10 into I, that must be written as 10i will write. This is equal to 10i right. Plus I into 2x minus 7y minus 3 must be equal to 0 plus I into 10 will write. Comparing real and imaginary part. Comparing real and imaginary part, we will get what I have to write. This is the real part. After this is the imaginary part, that I will write 4x plus 9y minus 3 will become 0. That I will write. 4x plus 9y is equal to 3. This is my equation number 1. After we'll take 2x minus 7y minus 3 is equal to 10, and that implies 2x minus 7y is equal to minus 3 plus 10 is 13. This is my equation number 2 will take. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. And that implies where 1 will become 1 I have multiplied by 1, that I will write 4x plus 9y is nothing but 3. After equation 2 can multiplied by 2, that I will write 2 2's 4x minus 7 2's 14y. This must be equal to 13 2's 26. I will write. I have to change the symbol minus plus. After we'll take minus plus 4x and minus 4x will be cancelled. 14y plus 9y is 23y. 23y is must be equal to minus 23. Both will be cancelled. Y is equal to minus 1. We know that the value y is equal to minus 1 substituting in 1 or 2. That means y is equal to minus 1 substituting in equation 1. What is the equation 1? 4x plus 9y will become 3, where y become minus 1. That means 4x plus 9 into minus 1 is 3. 4x minus 9 is 3. 4x is equal to 3 plus 9. 4x is equal to 12. 4 1, 4 3, where x is equal to 3. This is the given value. Finally, so x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Now I am going to next one. Find the least positive integer. Find the least positive integer small n satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. Find the least positive integer small n satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. We will observe. First I will take the base of given value. I will write 1 plus I by 1 minus I. The conjugate of 1 minus I will write 1 plus I by 1 plus I. That means here we have to write 1 plus I whole square by denominator is of the form a square minus b square. That I will write 1 square minus I square. Numerator it is of the form a plus b whole square. That must be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 square plus I square plus 2 into 1 into I by that denominator 1 minus of minus 1 will write. That means where I square is nothing but minus 1, 2 into I is 2i, the denominator 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. Remaining is 2i by 2 will take, 2 and 2 will be cancelled. That is the value of I. This is 1 plus I by 1 minus I is nothing but I. Here the given value is 1 plus I by 1 minus I. Now I am going to their LHS value. Their LHS is 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n. I will take I is equal to 1. So I am sorry, this value 1 plus I by 1 minus I is nothing but I. But I will take I power n. By the problem, what is asking in this one means find the least positive integer small n. Let n is equal to 1, then that implies I power 1 is I. It is not a integer. It is not a integer. After we'll take, let n is equal to 2. I square is nothing but minus 1. It is a negative. It is not a positive integer. I will write it is not a positive integer. This is minus 1 means it is a not a. It is not a positive integer. This is also not satisfied. After now I am going to n is equal to 3 will take. Let n is equal to 3, and that implies I square I cube, that we have to written as I square into I, that becomes minus 1 into I is equal to minus I will write. It is also not a positive integer. Not a positive integer. Later, after I will take n is equal to 4. I power 4, that must be written as I square into I square, where I square is minus 1. After that I square is minus 1. That is I power 4 is equal to 1. It is a integer. What is the satisfies a positive integer? Let I will take n is equal to 4, given one is a positive integer. That means let n is equal to 4 will take, that I will written as I power 4, that must be written as I square into I square, minus 1 into minus 1 will become 1. ఇక్కడ 1 రావాలంటే n వాల్యూ ఏం తీసుకున్నామంటే 4 తీసుకున్నాం. That I will write, that is the positive integer. That is the positive integer. Small n is 4.